This is a 2007 SeaRay240 Sundeck. This is an estate sale, to our knowledge. This is the original owner, possibly the second owner. The boat has been kept in dry storage and does not have any bottom paint. The Mercruiser engine was replaced with a full bobtail engine in December of 2018. It's a 350 horsepower Mercruiser 383 Stroker multi-port fuel injection engine. She has a Bravo 3 drive with drive shower. The motor has 7.2 hours on it currently. It's not even been broke in. She has a porta potty in her head that's plumbed for pump out. She has covers, and again is kept in dry storage. The boat needs a real good cleaning, but other than that, she's ready to go. A little time on the engine to break it in, change the oil, and you have one quick deck boat. She's represented by Berry-Boger Yacht Sales, 843-249-6167, and is here locally in North Myrtle Beach.